update one. Today I'm showing you my most recent fashion doll that I bought. The OMG, I like a lot of the OMG old dolls that they come out with. I think they do a really good job on that design. At least like the picture on the front of the box always looks nice. This is my fourth one in that series. It's called Moonlight BB. She's one of the new ones that came out this summer. She's kind of like the old sister to the goth doll. Here's the goth doll that she's sister to, the side of the box. She's also on the dressing room cover. Yeah, she has a room with butterflies. It's really cute. This is the shoe box that it comes with. Each one comes with like a shoe box and several things. The dress was inside this. It has like place on it. A little magazine. She's like the cancer one. Really cute. Alright, this is the shoe box. Her stand that she came with is kind of like blue, purple. Anyways, here she is. I already put her together because it's kind of hard to get their clothes on. But yeah, she's wearing like a little Lolita dress. With these sunglasses, I'm gonna take the hat off real quick so you can see her hair. Her face. So it doesn't look exactly like her lips are blue instead of pink, but it's still really cute. Her little purse says Scary Stories on it. It's really cute. Anyways, thanks for watching. Here's the front box cover again.